Welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, we will be creating a simple word game using Java. This project is perfect for beginners looking to enhance their programming skills through an engaging activity that reinforces concepts like loops, conditionals, and string manipulation. Before we dive in, let's outline what our game will involve. We'll create a game where players will guess a word by suggesting letters. They will have a limited number of guesses and will show their progress along the way. Sounds fun, right? Let's start by setting up our Java project. Make sure you have your favorite IDE installed. I recommend using IntelliJ IDEA or Eclipse. Open your IDE, create a new Java project, and name it WordGame. Now that our project is set up, let's create a new Java class. Right-click on the SRC folder, select New, and then Java class. Name it WordGame. This will be the main class where our game logic will reside. Let's define our class in the main method. In the main method, we will be initializing the game logic. Here's how you can start coding. First, we need to select a word for the player to guess. You can create an array of words or simply choose one word. Let's do it with an array. Here's how you can declare and initialize it. Next, we need to randomly select a word from this array for the player to guess. We will use the random class for this. Let's import java.util, random at the top of our Java file. Then we can write the code to select a random word. Now that we have our secret word, we need to set up some variables to track the number of incorrect guesses and to store the letters that the player has guessed. We can also prepare a way to create a string representation of the progress. Next, we will implement a loop that will allow our players to guess the letters until they either guess the word or reach the maximum number of incorrect attempts. Let's write the outline for this loop. Inside the loop, we need to ask the player for input. To do this, we will use the scanner class. So let's import it at the top as well. Now we will read the player's guess and check if the letter is valid. It should be a single alphabetic character that hasn't been guessed before. Let's handle that logic. Now we need to check if the guessed letter is present in the secret word. If it is, we will update our display word to show the correct guess. If not, we will increment the incorrect guesses. Let's also include logic to store the already guessed letters so that the player won't guess the same letter multiple times. Here's how you can update the guessed letters and display them after each guess. Finally, we need to check if the player has won or lost after each guess. Now that we have all the parts of our game, let's put them together in our main method. Here's the complete code. Well done. You've just created a simple word game using Java. You can run this code in your IDE and start playing. Now that you have the basic functionality, consider enhancing your game. You could add hints, a scoring system, or even a graphical interface. Challenge yourself with new features. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you like this content, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more programming tutorials. Happy coding!